Hi, my name is Fariha Sultana and this is my term project proposal for web server programming class. I want to create a website for halal meat and grocery store. Administrator stories. As an administrator, I want to log into the website so that I can manage the site. As an administrator, I want to add new products to the site so that the customers are aware of new items. As an administrator, I want to upload product images to the site so that customers can get better idea about the product. As an administrator, I want to see all the products so that I can update product information on the site. As an administrator, I want to modify product information as necessary so that the site is up to date. As an administrator, I want to remove unavailable items so that customers do not see them on the site. As an administrator, I want to send emails to registered users so that they get notifications about sales events and new products. Unregistered user stories. As an unregistered user, I want to see all the available products and their prices on the site so that I can get a basic idea about the store. As an unregistered user, I want to click on the login/register button so that I can create an account using my email address and a password. As an unregistered user, I want to click on the register button so that I can receive a verification code to verify my email address. Registered user stories. As a registered user, I want to click on login button so that I can have access to my shopping cart. As a registered user, I want to click on add to cart button so that I can add items to the shopping cart. As a registered user, I want to click on my cart button so that I can update my shopping cart or place a purchase order. As a registered user, I want to receive email notification about new product or sales events so that I can save money. Thank you.